First look at the redesign of Magisk Manager in 2020. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Manji here, back with another video, and in this video, we're going to have our first look at the redesign of Magisk Manager in 2020. Where do you get this build from? Well, at the time of recording this video, this is a Magisk Manager canary build. What is a canary build? A canary build is a preview of what is about to come in the stable channel. So in case you want to download this build, I have linked it in the description of the video. All you need to do is boot into your custom recovery and flash the zip file. Once you open Magisk Manager, this is the home screen you will be greeted with. You do have a message on the top which says to use Magisk Manager from open source only. Do not use Magisk Manager from unknown sources because it might be risky. We are going to hide this, and this is how your home screen will look. On top you have the name of the device, Xiaomi, the code name Beryllium, and the processor as SDM845, signifying the Snapdragon 845 processor. For security, it says secure, the system is 10, which means I am running Android 10 on my Poco F1. Is it a AB device? The answer is no. And is it SAR, which means system as root? The answer is no. So you have all this information about your device. Next up, we have information about Magisk. So Magisk is up to date. The version is 20.4. The code is 20303. The mode is normal. Then you have information about Magisk Manager. Again, the version, the code, and the mode. In case you want to support John, the developer of Magisk, you can donate to his PayPal. You can follow him on Twitter, and you have project links for XDA thread and the GitHub page, along with donations to Dear Ruse. I hope I pronounced their name correctly. If I did not, then I am sorry about that. Next up, you have the settings icon on the top right, and if you want to move between tabs, you can use these three buttons at the bottom or this floating window at the bottom. Now, what I would have liked is the swipe gesture. So if you swipe from, say, the left, it should take us to the second page. I hope they add it down the line. So on the second page or second tab, you have the options for Magisk Hide and Safety Net, right? So this is Magisk Hide. Click on it and it will show you a list of applications which you can select for Magisk Hide. Then if you want to check the safety net, you tap on the safety net option and it will check for safety net. If you want to try again, click on try again, and there it is. Safety net right now is passing for me. What I would have personally preferred is the option to check for safety net on the home screen, and maybe I'm old school or we've gotten used to the old Magisk Manager wherein the option to check for safety net is on the main page. So if they can bring that back over here, that would be great. If not, nothing we can do about it. Then you have the third tab or the third page, which is all about modules. So it lists all the modules which are installed. Right now I have device personalization services, enabling live caption, MAME 11 launcher, and SQL Lite. In case you want to disable a module, all you need to do is tap on it. You will see that the text is now striked through, which means this module will be disabled on next reboot. However, you do not get that notification. In the previous version, when you disabled a module, it would tell you that module will be disabled on next reboot. We are not getting that notification over here. I think they should add it back. Now, if you want to remove a module, of course, you can just click on the remove option. Other than that, if you scroll down, it will show you if there are any updates available for your modules or not. So right now, I do not have any updates available for any of the module. If you want to install a module from the storage, all you need to do is click on install from storage. It will open the file manager application, and you can then select any Magisk module zip file. Next up, we have remote. So remote is your downloads section of the previous Magisk Manager. Herein you can change your sorting order either by name or by numbers 0 to 9. What if you want to search for a module? So in that case, you click on this floating button. It will open a search window. Type in your search parameters here. Let us just search for wiper, and there it is. You can see that the circle was rotating, and these are the different search results which came up. Whatever you want to install, you just click on the down arrow, and if you do not want to install any of them, just click on the back button and it will take you back to the modules screen. Another thing I noticed is that the settings icon is only present on the home screen. So it is present on the top right, only on the home screen. It would be easier for an end user if it is present on all these three tabs or all these three screens. Anyways, let's dive into settings, and bam, there it is. You can see that we do have the option of themes. So let's go into themes. These are your different options. I do not know whether they support custom themes or not, and if theme developers can now create themes for Magisk, that would be super awesome. You can also select theme mode, and you have three different options: always light, always dark, or you can follow the system theme, in which case if your system is set as dark theme, Magisk will also be in dark theme, and if it is set as light, it will be in light mode. Let us change the theme. Right now I'm using the Carmelian theme. Let's change it to Zapdos. Why? Because Poco colors yellow and black. There it is. This is the new theme which we just applied, working like a boss. And back into settings, you have options for different languages. What is the grid column size you are looking for? So this grid column size is what we see over here. Right now it is set to 1 per column. You can also pinch to 2 per column, and you can also pinch again to 3 per column. To go back, you can pinch in the other direction, and bam, working like a boss. This column mode works in tab for super user and the tab for modules. So here it is, my pinch gesture, 3 per column, and I can also change it to 1 per column. Other than that, you can also change it from settings. These are your different options: 1 item per line, 2 items per line, and 3 items per line. Then you have options for Magisk Manager. Right now I am on the beta update channel. You can change to stable, custom, a canary, or canary debug, whether you want to check for updates periodically or not. Where do you want the files to be downloaded? You can customize that folder. In case you want to clear the repo cache, hide Magisk Manager. Whether you want to enable Magisk Hide or not, system layer hosts is also there. If you want to start Magisk in safe mode, this is generally used when you are updating your ROM or Android version. Then, in case you want to enable biometric authentication for super user access, you can do that using this toggle. Right now, it is not working. It says it is not supported on my device, so nothing I can do about that, but you do have that option. Then you have super user access. Do you want it disabled, apps only, ADB only, apps and ADB? What is your multi-user mode preferences? Then if you're looking for an automatic response to super user requests, you can change that from here. And your request timeout, 10 seconds, 15, 45, 60, whatever you're looking for. And super user notification, whether you want it as none or you want it as toast. So there it is, peeps. This is the new UI for Magisk Manager in 2020, which should be rolled out to the stable channel pretty soon. When and what is the exact date, I do not know that. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.